Okay, welcome back. This was the last one we made, and now I'm going to show you how to go to the next page. You can go to File, New, or Control N, and you will get a new page. And here we have our new page. And you just have to go back and fix your paper if you don't want this one. Okay, let's go to the next form of SVG. In this one, we're just going to repeat, like repetitive, the words, repeat them. Okay, let's go to text. No, we will save our file. Save as, downloads. Okay. It's like repetitive. I'm gonna do mama. I will save it as just save it. No, save it as a plain SVG. Rep mama. I'm gonna show you why I call it rep mama. The rep stands for repetitive. Stay tuned and watch, and let's do this. I'll go and just with small letters, I'm going to type mama. Okay, I type mama, and I'm going to use the same font to create this. I have it in this font, like you see our tiny box here, it's in text format. I don't want this font. Okay, I'll go back to the A right here. Okay, I'll go to my font here, open it, and then I'm going to scroll down. Actually, let me do this. Yep, select it, and then I'll scroll down, and then I'll see my fonts that I want. There's a cute font. It's called Copper Black. Copper Black. Yep, I love this font. Okay, now we have Copper Black. Okay, we have this. We're going to do repetitive. Stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. Repetitive. The first thing we're going to do after we write our text down, and we have the box here. Like I said, it's still in text format. We want to turn it into a SVG, into a cutting pad, into a cut file. You select your text, your image, you go to pad, you go to object to pad, and then the box disappears. And the next thing we're going to do, we go to object, like the same object that you did here, object to pad. Now we go to object and we ungroup it, okay? And then we go back to pad, because this thing is a pad, it's an object, but it's a pad. And then we unite it, union. Okay, now it's in one piece. Okay, and now like we said, repetitive one. You're going to do it like that. Scroll up a little bit. Now you select this, select your word, right click on your text, right click, and you see duplicate. When you duplicate it, it will duplicate it on top of it. You see, let me color this really quick. You see that? And then we drag it down. You see? When you duplicate in here, it will come on top of it, like exactly on top of it. Right click, duplicate, it's still there. You drag it down. Let's say 3 times mama is good. Like we did the other time, we select everything and we're going to align them under each other, and with evenly spaced between them. So we select them here. To find the alignment tool, you go to object and you scroll down to align and distribute. Okay, we want to align them vertically. So we choose this one, vertical axis. Bam, you see they came in alignment with evenly spaced between them. Keep them selected. We choose this one. You see that? And then, okay, now we're going to color. So now you can color them however you want. Let's go to colors. Let's choose these colors. Let's say we have that in mama, and we have this mama, and now we go to the cleaner mama. If you want, you can reverse them, and then you select everything, group them, and we have it here. Wrap mama. You see the tiny star here. that means it's not safe. Our image is not safe. You can go to File, Save, or you can just click Control S on your keyboard. And now we saved it. Let's see, Control S, and now we save the tiny star has disappeared. Now we have another file. Rep mama. One more thing, if you want to save it as a PNG file too, because when we sell SVG, we sell it as PNG too. You can let's see, go to File. Let me see if it's in here. Save as. And when you open here, you have to see it under here. If it's not here, we're going to export it. Okay, PNG is not in here. No. Okay, I'll show you how to do it as a PNG. You go to File, Export. Okay, Export, and this will open on here. And then you go to Page. You select the page. The page is everything over here. Don't choose Selection, just choose Page. Okay, and here are these are the DPS on 300. Okay, the DPS on 300. And you go down here and you select Export, and you see it's exporting it into your computer. I'm exporting it into downloads. You see the downloads here, and as a PNG, portable network graphic, and I exported it. Okay, and let's go into our thing really quick. And then here you see the PNG file, and the SVG file. You see them both here. We exported it. Okay. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the other video, for the next video. I will teach you something else in there. Okay, stay tuned.